Are you looking for an efficient and reliable way to maintain your photovoltaic power station? Look no further than the patrol and maintenance robot. This advanced robot is designed to replace manual labor for repetitive tasks, such as panel inspection and weed removal, saving you a significant amount of labor costs, while enhancing the overall efficiency of your PV system. The robot is equipped with a general-purpose multi-wheel mobile chassis and adopts a planetary swing arm wheel structure design. This provides exceptional obstacle crossing capabilities and adaptability to challenging terrains like sandy or muddy ground. It is equipped with high temperature-resistant and flame-retardant rubber wheels, ensuring safe operation in environments up to 50 degrees Celsius. Additionally, its low temperature and waterproof design make it suitable for extreme weather conditions, guaranteeing stable performance in power fields. This robot integrates a variety of advanced functions. The weeding module can autonomously navigate to weed-designated areas, reducing the risk of fire and shading that could compromise power generation efficiency. Its dual vision system, combining visible light and thermal imaging, supports accurate detection of issues such as PV panel hotspots and diode damage. The autonomous obstacle avoidance system, with high sensitivity and long-range monitoring, enables precise environmental perception and effective collision prevention. With a wireless remote control range of over 500 meters and an endurance of up to 8 hours for inspection tasks, the robot can autonomously return to the charging station after completing its work, achieving all-weather automatic inspection. Its comprehensive control platform offers real-time video display, robot operation status monitoring, data visualization, remote operation, job management, and log backup functions. The patrol and maintenance robot is not only a tool, it's a smart investment for the future of your power station.